Have you ever wondered how the brain, a 3-pound organ, controls your entire being? It's a fascinating question, isn't it? This small, seemingly insignificant mass of gray matter, weighing no more than a bag of sugar, holds the keys to our existence. The brain, with its convoluted surface and crevice-filled appearance, would hardly win a beauty contest, yet its importance is unparalleled. It's the command center of our body, a masterful conductor orchestrating the symphony of our functions. It's the keeper of our memories and the creator of our thoughts, the source of our emotions and the interpreter of the world around us. From our most fundamental actions like breathing and blinking, to complex cognitive tasks such as problem-solving and decision-making, everything is governed by this 3-pound marvel. It's our brain that allows us to feel, to think, to dream, and to connect with others. Indeed, the brain is the most complex organ in the human body. The brain is divided into distinct parts, each with its own unique functions. Let's begin with the cerebrum, the largest part of the brain, occupying the uppermost region. It's responsible for higher brain functions, including thinking, learning, and consciousness. It's this part that helps you solve that tricky math problem or enjoy your favorite song. Next up is the cerebellum, located at the back of the brain. Its primary role? Coordination. It takes care of your balance, movement, and muscle control. Ever wondered how you can ride a bike or play the piano without constantly thinking about it? That's the cerebellum at work. Finally, we have the brainstem, acting as a bridge between the cerebellum and spinal cord. This vital part controls automatic functions essential to life. Breathing, heart rate, even our sleep cycles are under its command. So from processing complex thoughts to fine-tuning our movements and regulating our basic life functions, each part of the brain works in harmony to control different aspects of your life. The cerebrum, the largest part of the brain, is responsible for higher brain functions. This colossal structure, divided neatly into 2 hemispheres, is where the magic of cognition happens. Each hemisphere, although similar in appearance, have distinct roles. The left hemisphere is responsible for analytical thought, logic, language, and mathematical abilities, while the right hemisphere is the hub for creativity, intuition, music, and spatial processing. Now let's delve deeper into the cerebrum's geography. It's sectioned into 4 lobes, each with a unique job. The frontal lobe, the brain's CEO, commands decision-making, problem-solving, and motor skills. The parietal lobe processes sensory information like touch and spatial positioning. The occipital lobe, our personal cinema, interprets visual information. Lastly, the temporal lobe, our sound engineer, handles auditory processing and is integral to memory formation. The cerebrum is a testament to the brain's complexity and sophistication. While lesser known, the cerebellum and brainstem are equally critical to our survival. Tucked beneath the cerebrum, the cerebellum may be small, but don't let its size fool you. This mini powerhouse is responsible for fine-tuning our movements, helping us maintain balance and coordinating voluntary actions. It's the cerebellum that allows a ballerina to perform a flawless pirouette or a guitarist to pluck just the right string. Just as important is the brainstem, the unsung hero of our brain. Acting as a conduit between the brain and the rest of the body, the brainstem has a vital role in controlling automatic functions. Imagine not having to consciously remind yourself to breathe or regulate your heart rate. That's the brainstem working tirelessly behind the scenes, ensuring our basic survival functions operate smoothly and without our conscious input. Without the cerebellum and brainstem, we wouldn't be able to perform basic functions. These 2 parts of the brain, though often overlooked, are truly indispensable. So, we've taken a brief journey through our brain, the command center of our bodies. We've explored the enigma that is the human mind, delved into the major parts of the brain, and dissected the roles of the cerebrum, cerebellum, and brainstem. Each of these components has a unique and crucial role, working in symphony to orchestrate our every thought, feeling, and action. The cerebrum, the largest part of our brain, is the hub of higher mental functions, governing our thoughts and actions. The cerebellum, meanwhile, fine-tunes our movements and helps us maintain balance. Lastly, the brainstem, the bridge between the brain and the body, controls our vital bodily functions. Understanding the brain's complexity and importance is a testament to its magnificence. It's a marvel of nature, a masterpiece of evolution. The next time you marvel at a beautiful piece of art or solve a complex problem, remember, it's all thanks to your amazing brain.